opposite party has created two identities, Your Honor. There is one Tisha Jain, who is not my daughter, Your Honor. There is an order in the family court impugned for that which they have come here to this court. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. My daughter is my only legitimate daughter, and for whom I am the biological father is Anika Ashish Agarwal, Your Honor. There is a mischievous affidavit which has been made by them, and on basis of that, they have secured an Aadhaar card. They have admitted the child in a school by the name of Tisha Jain, and in the admission form also there is no such.
So what is the impugned order before this court?
It is for the maintenance to the minor whose name is Anika Ashish Agarwal and who is my legitimate daughter, Your Honor.
So the scope of this petition is only to that extent. Whether the maintenance that is granted by the trial court is right or wrong is the only thing we'll decide. Now, with regard to some other lady, some other girl, which is not your daughter, and all those things are part of the trial court, the matter that is pending before the court. There you have to raise all those grounds.
But Your Honor, the order itself had that defect which I had objected there, but due to they had, Your Honor, pleaded for an emergency date of four days in which I could not present myself, and that day the order was impugned.
To the order.
May I make one submission, my lord? First, he filed a petition for divorce in Bombay. It was transferred here. And then he appeared. Then the matter, he did not proceed with the matter seriously. He comes and only speaks about the matters, my lord. Thereafter, he has filed one petition in, again in the Thana court, that the child's name is different. So he doesn't want to pay the maintenance. He doesn't do that. Then he files one more suit for recovery of money against me. That again in Thana.
No, whether the couple have one daughter or two daughters.
If your lordship can take the matter in chamber, lord, your lordship can put a quietus to. But today morning I spoke to my client also. She had come. She said, let the matter be mediated by the court, I will resolve. And I know more than
the Bangalore mediation or the court mediation has gone.
In fact, I myself mediator, my lord, there is no difficulty. But the problem is, my lord, the mediation center cannot mediate this matter with this person. We have seen it. That's the reason I'm requesting.
You are ready to settle the
I'll be very much obliged.
Your Honor, I am ready to settle the dispute provided the identities are first clarified, Your Honor. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. I am Ashish Agarwal.
Was this matter on 18th?
Your Honor, 4th of September is also fine with me.
But court should be fine. There must be a date on that day. 4th is there any matter? No matter. Was this matter on 4th September in chambers for conciliation?
Oh,
both the parties shall be present at 5 o'clock.
Parties to be present.
Parties at 5 o'clock. Come at 5 o'clock in chamber.
Chamber, Your Honor. Is it possible for tomorrow, Your Honor? Because I have to travel from Mumbai, Your Honor. That
tomorrow the court is not sitting. Court. Or if you Friday. Friday any matter is there.
4th.
Friday. No matter. Then Friday. Friday you are here.
30th.
Friday is 30th. Your Honor, 4th or 5th I'll be present. 4th would be okay.